Senator Rodante Marcoleta for his questions and clarifications.
Thank you, Madam Chair. You're supposed to be the Director General of Philippine Science Agency, Philippine Space Agency. Director General is your title. Ano ang title ng head ng Director General? Sino yung si Director General?
Thank you, Your Honor, for the question. I'm Deputy Director General po of the Philippine Space Agency.
Hindi ikaw yung Director General. Hindi ko kasi makita, maliliit.
Ay, hindi po.
Okay. Despite the very impressive presentation you made this morning, surprisingly, I think the DBM was not impressed with what you have achieved so far, because parang na-slash yung inyong budget by more than 44%. Why is that?
Thank you for the question, Your Honor. The Department of Budget and Management is very supportive of our programs. Your Honor.
If it is supportive, why is it is last your budget for 2026 by 44%?
I believe, Your Honor, it is because of the alignment on the other priority projects.
No, alignment or otherwise, if it is very impressive and your work is really what is needed by the country, because it encompasses a lot of sectors of our economy, from agriculture to science and technology to climate change to the protection of our sovereignty and territory. This is not a simple job for the Philippine Space Agency to do. By slashing it by more than 44%, it indicates something. Tama o hindi?
Thank you once again, Your Honor. The budget that we're having for 2026 is in fact an increase from our budget this year. This year po, our budget is 900 million, and next year,
What is that
DBM is
presentation?
giving us
Pero
1.4.
44% na nawala sa inyo. What is that?
That is comparing po our proposed budget for 2025 with what was allocated by NEP. But even with the allocation po, it is already an increase from our current budget in 2025.
Kasi as a senator, I am not in a position to validate your impressive record. I hope it is true. Pero pinakamaganda kasi, the ordinary people should be able to feel. Mas maganda kasi, ito, dahil sa Philippine Space Agency, ito yung nangyayari sa atin. Instead of the politicians claiming all the credits, dapat kayo din nalalaman ng tao. In everyday life, dapat alam nila. Hindi nga nila alam kung ano yung Philippine Space Agency. Sa totoo lang. Halimbawa, sa agriculture, ang daming mga hoarders, no, ginagamit yung mga cold storage. Pagka gusto nilang itago yung mga sibuyas, mga produce natin, manipulate nila yung price, tatago nila. They will utilize the cold storages station in several parts of the country, yung mga warehouses. Is the Philippine Space Agency able to detect all this? Yan ang importante. Kasi kailangan mahuli natin. Ang problema, ang hirap mahuli kung kamukha nyo, sabi ninyo, you have the capability to do all this. Sa panahon na magtatanim pa lamang ng sibuyas at pagkatapos ay mag-harvest na dyan gumagala yung mga opportunists, yung mga sindikato, yung mga gustong gumawa lang para sa sarili nila. O sana kung Space Agency, ang daling makita natin lahat. O ito po yung mga cold storage, nakatago po lahat ang sibuyas. Yung white onions nandito po, yung yellow nandito po. Dapat ganun eh. Pagkatapos, kamukha nang nangyari dito sa ating bansa ngayon na putok ang iskandalo ng flood control. Siguro kung sinusundan po ninyo, yung DPWH, ang dami niyang sinasabi. Meron silang tinatawag na application. Kung tawagin nila ay Project and Contract Management Application, PCMA. Ang sabi nila, Real time. Hindi ako naniniwala. Real time. Pag tinignan mo naman, hindi naman real time. Geotag, sabi niya, may mga coordinates eh. Meron pa silang MYPS. Ito yung multi-year project scheduling. Puro system ito eh. Pero sila lang ang nakakaintindi. Binigay nila sa Pangulo yung report nila na ngayon ay ginamit ng Office of the President sumbong sa Pangulo. It was based on an application called MYPS, Multi-Year Project Scheduling. Pero pag tinignan mo yung kanilang PCMA, ito yung Project and Contract Management Application, mag-iiba yung coordinates. I will give you an example. There is a construction of flood mitigation structure. It's a revetment wall at Sitio Mainit to Sitio Manok, sabi niya. Barangay Montañesa, Cebu. Kunin ninyo, the actual coordinates, ito. Yung X niya is 123.338631. Y. Y coordinates, ito, 9.684808. Itong sa sumbong sa Pangulo, ito, ang X coordinate is 123.338488. Y coordinate is 9.68534. You spot the difference. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Philippine Space Agency, tingnan nyo. Iminali nila yung Pangulo eh. Ang binigay nilang data is wrong because of this. I have spotted at least 14 discrepancy in coordinates. Can you help? Halimbawa, ito binigay kong example sa inyo. What does this mean? Kaya kung titingnan mo sa picture, nandito yung sa sumbong sa Pangulo, nandito yung isa. Can the Philippine Space Agency, I will give to you yung 15 coordinates na nakita ko na mali, na erroneous. There is a discrepancy. Kaya kung halimbawa, ikaw ay nakikipaglaban, binigay ang coordinate na ito, pagkatapos tinutok mo yung missile doon, patay lahat ng hindi naman yun, ito yung kalaban mo eh. So how can you help? Ito ngayon, inahanap namin ng mga flood control projects. Hindi naman lahat ghost eh. Mabibilang mo sa daliri ang ghost, pero 99% defective lahat. We want to know, nasaan ang mga coordinates? The DPWH, nagtuturuan na sila ngayon. Dito natin dapat makita ang tulong ninyo. Hindi ko sinasabing, hindi ko minemenos ang nagagawa na ninyo in other aspects of our lives. Kaya lang, ito yung importante ngayon eh. You should assert kung ano yung kailangan ngayon. Halimbawa, pwede nyo bang ma-detect yung mga bangko ay pinaglagyan ng itong mga makawatan na ito kung nasaan ang perang nilagay? Pwede nyo bang ma-detect ngayon kung nasaan si Saldico, halimbawa? Ito yung gagawin natin dapat eh. This is how to make your agency relevant. Ito mahirap intindihin lang hindi ko sinasabing walang katuturan yan. I am sure meron tayong napapala lahat yan. But the ability to relate yourselves, specifically yung ginagawa ninyo sa ating mga mamamayan, para po makita nila eh. Halimbawa po, ako gusto ko magtanim ng high value crops. Dapat nag-guide po ninyo, lalo na sa amin, wala naman kaming irrigation. Sana each month or every 3 months, ito yung mabuting itanim. Based on your reading ng weather system. O siguro sa ganito po, ito yung itanim ninyo kasi po hindi pa uulan ng ganito. Dito po mag-uulan na, ito na lang ang itanim nyo, puro kangkong na lang kasi mabubuhay sa bahayan. Ganun dapat eh. Tama po. So nasaan po si Saldico? Satellite. Meron kayong GPS, lahat na sinasabi ninyo eh. We have to be very nasaan ang mga pera? Saan nila nilagay?
Thank you, Your
Alam mo,
Honor.
pabiro lang ang sinasabi ko, but this is the reality.
Opo. Opo.
What will you say?
Yes. Thank you, Your Honor. Actually po, yung mga binanggit niyo po, mahalaga ngang ma-highlight po kung paano natin nagagamit yung space dito sa mga concerns po na to. So let me briefly address po muna yung sa agriculture and then I'll go to
Hindi na
the...
yan. Okay na ako doon. Ang sinasabi ko rito, yung flood control, yung
Okay po.
PCMA ng Department of Public Works, ginugulo nila pati opisina ng Pangulo. Isip-isipin mo itong coordinates na to, puro mali. Hindi ko sinasabing lahat mali, but in my own, hindi man ako engineer eh. Hirap na hirap nga akong tingnan, pero nung isang pasada lang, 14 na coordinates ang merong discrepancy. So, ang pinagbasihan ng Pangulo is another application, yung sinasabi nilang totoo is another. So, alin ang totoo dito? The Space Agency is in a position to determine alin dito yung totoo.
That's correct, Your Honor. So with those coordinates po, we can verify the locations po.
Itong binigay kong example sa'yo, can you
Opo.
please tell me, ano ang kaibahan itong dalawang, gaano kalayo ito? Kasi hindi ko alam i-interpret ito eh.
Opo.
I already told you the XY coordinates of both applications. Pwede nyo sabihin sa akin, halimbawa, gaano kalayo? Mula ba dito hanggang doon o 1 kilometro, 10 kilometro? Hindi nyo ba makukompute ngayon bago tayo
Opo.
magtapos?
Malalagay po namin sa mapa bago po tayo
Sige, bago
po.
tayo matapos, isang
Opo.
question na lang kasi.
Okay po.
Sabi nyo kanina, ang batas ng Philippine Space Agency took effect in 2019. Sino yung kauna-unahan po na Director General?
Our first Director General po, Dr. Joel Joseph Marciano Jr. In 2019 up to recently po.
So hindi pa siya napalitan pala since the law took effect.
That's correct po.
Okay. Anong pangalan niya?
Dr. Joel Joseph Marciano Jr.
Si Dr. Marciano ba ay dumaan sa Commission on Appointments?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
So there are 2 instances po in 2020 where he subject himself under the confirmation on Commission on
You have
Appointment.
to check that.
Opo.
Anybody? So 2020, na-confirm siya? Ganun ba?
During that time po, the submission was withdrawn by the committee.
So hindi siya na-confirm.
Yes.
Kailan siya na-confirm?
So this year po, he again subjected
No,
himself
from
under the commission.
2019, 2020, wala. No confirmation.
It was withdrawn po kasi.
Oo nga,
Opo, yes,
2021,
opo.
walang confirmation.
Opo, that's correct.
2022, 23, 24, wala. So ilang taon na hindi na-confirm si Dr. Marciano? Mula nung 2019, tama?
From 2020.
From 2020 to 2024, there is no confirmation.
Yes,
Tama.
that's correct.
Okay. Section 10 of Republic Act 11363. Sinasabi po na ang Director General shall be appointed by the President subject to the confirmation of the Commission on Appointments. So, nasaan po yung COA dito? Meron pong representative ang COA. So kung hindi po na-confirm, for example, yung Director General, did he enter his function with officiality? COA.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Cherry Lu Arguilla po from the Commission on Audit.
Yes, ma'am. Did you?
Since 2019, hindi po na-confirm si Dr. Marciano. So, nagpa-function po siya as nagpa-function po siya as Director General. So, siya po yung nagpipirma sa mga financial transaction po, sir.
Oo nga. So what happens? Hindi siya na-confirm. So officially, Paano yun? Did he enter into the discharge of his office
Yes po, sir.
regularly
Yes po, sir. From nag-assume po siya, sir.
without being confirmed by the CA per...
Actually, yung understanding po namin, sir, na-differ yung una niyang confirmation kasi parang nagkaroon ng nung sa CA, nagkaroon po ng na yung kanyang position is hindi dapat i-subject sa sa confirmation. Pero
Sino?
yung 2025,
Sino may opinion nun?
commission on appointment, sir. Parang ganun po.
Can somebody render an opinion against the law? Ang sinasabi ng batas, the Director General shall be appointed by the President subject to the confirmation by the Commission on Appointments. Simpleng-simple yun,
Yes po,
madam.
sir. We agree po dyan, sir. Kaya lang nung time na yun, parang nung isasubject na siya sa confirmation, may ruling po daw ang confirmation of appointment na hindi siya isasubject during 2022.
Ano sabi ng ruling? Hindi na natin susundin ang batas, sabi nila?
Parang ganun po ang ruling ng...
Naniwala ka?
At
Naniwala ka na sinabi, can they rule against the law?
hanap po namin yung papel na yun pero hindi ma-provide
O, ang
namin.
tinatanong ko na lang sa'yo, paano mo na-audit ngayon? Paano kayo nag-audit? Hindi naman na-confirm. Paano yan?
Hindi po nagpa-function ng agency kung kung walang pipirma po. During that time, siya po yung may appointment siya as Director General. So,
Alam mo, hindi mo sinasagot ang tanong eh. Wala naman akong tinatanong kung sinong pipirma o... Ang tinatanong ko sa'yo, regular ba ang kanyang pag-akto bilang Director General kahit hindi siya na-confirm? Hindi nyo nakita yun,
yes,
Commission on
Your
Audit?
Honor. Actually, kine-question nga po namin, sir. Kaya lang, yun po.
O kinu-question mo pala eh, bakit yung audit mo wala ka sinabi na
Hinahanap
ganun?
namin po yung confirmation.
Why did you not include in your report na sana ay na-confirm ang Director General because this is the law?
Inaantay namin last February, June, bago mag...
I don't care
session
about
po,
what
sir.
you are waiting. Ano ba? Ang sinasabi ko lamang, hindi nyo ba alam itong batas na to?
We agree po, sir, dyan
Oh,
batas
anong
na-
ginawa ninyo? For 5 years, 2020 to 2024, ilan yon? Ilang years yon? Pinabayaan ninyo, ganun na lang?
Actually, yun nga po, sir, ang
Oh, I think you have to submit your explanation to this committee. Maraming salamat, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much, Senator Marcoleta. May we request our representative from the Commission on Audit to please submit your explanation to this